I'm going to teach you how to use Card Cosmic app to sell your gift card, guys. Before we get started, subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. And also share this video after you finish watching. This is how it is, guys. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store. Search for Card Cosmic. After that, open it, download it to your phone. After you download it, open it. You understand right now? And you can see it will show you this interface. Click on me or any option down here and it will show you this interface. You can see down there, you can see you don't have an account. Sign up. Click on this sign up. And if you click on sign up, it will show you this option. The first thing you are going to do, guys, is to put your first name here, put your name here, the name you want to use to register your account. Do you understand? The next thing is to put your functional Gmail. The next thing is to put your phone number. And the next one is to create your password. Make sure your password starts with capital letter. For example, like Godwin. For example, hard number at the back and any symbol like this. And any symbol like this. So it will be successful. Do you understand right now? The next thing is your invitation code. Do you understand right now? Guys, use this invitation code to register. This is the reason. You can see it is optional. If you don't use this invitation code to register, if you skip it, they are not going to give you a welcome bonus. And also, they are not going to reward me. Do you understand right now? So I will say you should please use this invitation code so you can get a welcome bonus of 5,000 naira and they can also reward me. Do you understand right now? Please. So after you have done that, the next thing you are going to do is to mark this one. You can see I agree to Card Cosmic terms and conditions. Mark it like this and click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? And your account will be ready to use. Now I'm going to log into my own account and show you how to use Card Cosmic app to sell your gift card and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Guys, let me log in and we continue, guys. Guys, I've logged in right now. This is my account. And now, to sell your gift card, to use this app to sell your gift card, this is what you're going to do. You can see withdrawal. You can see sell now. You can see task, coupon, a fight. Click on sell now. Do you understand right now? And it's going to pop up like this. Then select the gift card you want to sell. Let's say Apple, for example, Apple iTunes. Do you understand right now? You are going to select your card balance, $100 for example. Select the amount of your own. Let's say your gift card is a US card. If it is UK, select the country of your card. Just throw it like this on to see the country of your card. And I'm going to use US card as an example. I'm going to click on it. And the next thing is, you can see it says physical card, e-code. Do you understand? Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. And e-code is a gift card someone purchased on a website online. So they are just going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. Do you understand? So physical card is a common gift card someone purchases at a physical store. Do you understand right now? So leave it like this. And the next thing is to click on upload image. Then you select gallery, not camera, gallery. Then you will go to it, will take you to your gallery. Then select the image of your gift card and upload it. After you upload it, guys, it will be uploaded and it will give you another space for another box, which means if your gift card is $2, if it is $50 each. So do you understand? You upload the second one as well. And after that, you click on confirm down here. You can see confirm. And in few seconds, your card will say success. And if you don't have the image of your gift card, if all you have is the code of your gift card, just click on code data. Write the code of your gift card here and click on confirm and it will be sold successfully. Do you understand? And your money will be available on your bank, on your balance like this. The next thing is to withdraw your money to your bank account. But before you withdraw your money, you need to add your bank account to receive your money. Then this is what you are going to do. You can see home, transaction, support me. Click on me. Then you can see bank account. Click on bank account. You can see add bank account. You can see my own bank here. Click on add bank account. When you click on it, select the bank you are using. Put your name there and your account number and click on submit. And it will be added successfully like this. Do you understand right now? After that, go back home, go to home, and you can see withdrawal. Click on withdrawal. Then write the amount you want to withdraw out of your money. Do you understand? Or if you want to withdraw everything, you are the owner of your money. The minimum you can withdraw is 10,000 to unlimited. Do you understand right now? So after you write the amount you want to withdraw, click on confirm. You can see down here, it will show you confirm to withdraw. Then click on it, and in a few seconds your money will deliver to your bank account sharp. So this is how to use Card Cosmic app to sell your gift card, guys. If you have any question, write in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share it for more people to see. One love, guys.